Hey, and welcome to yoga practice. Let us begin standing, finding a comfortable yet steady stand, looking straight ahead, finding a good position of the feet, maybe activating the toes, loosening the knees a little bit, tilting the pelvis and coming into a straight alignment through the upper body. So chest comes forward, shoulders gently roll back, shoulders relaxed. Taking a deep breath in and out. Activating our Ujjayi breath, so breathing through the throat area. Filling the chest and exhale, maybe activating Bandha, so tucking the belly in and upwards. Adding the arm movement here, inhalation, the arms circle up overhead. Palms touch, and once the exhale begins, arms come down again. Shoulders stay relaxed, inhale, circling up. Palms touch and exhale, coming back down. So let's do that a few times, finding our rhythm. Inhale. Feeling the chest, palms touch. Exhale, using Bandha here, coming up and in through the belly. Inhale, arms up. Good, and arms down, exhale. Once again, inhale up. Palms touch and exhale, a half forward fold. Knees bent, back straight, inhale, coming up. So a few times like this, exhale, coming into a half forward fold. Inhale, coming up. Exhale down. Engaging Bandha, belly in and up. And inhale, coming up. Feeling the front body stretch here, lifting the chest, looking upwards. Exhale, back down. And once again, inhale, coming up. Good, and exhale, forward fold all the way. Inhale, coming back up. Finding your rhythm, palms touch, exhale, forward fold. Hearing your own breath, Ujjayi breath. Inhale up. And exhale down, forward fold. Good, once again, inhale up. And exhale down into a forward fold. Now staying here. On inhale, just slightly lifting the chest. And exhale, deepening, using Bandha. A few times. On inhale, chest can lift to the chin, chin tucked in. And exhale, deepening the forward fold, the belly comes in and up. 2 more times. And next inhalation, circling up. Palms touch overhead. And exhale, hands come down to the heart center. Resting here. Connecting to body and breath. Becoming aware of all the energies through the body. Feet, legs, hips, belly, chest, arms. Good. And then next inhalation, we can circle up once again. Palms touch overhead. Exhale into a forward fold. And from here, directly stepping into downward facing dog. Inhale, the knees come down into cow position, arching the lower back. Good. Exhale, child's pose. So these three positions, inhale, cow pose. Really arching in the lumbar spine. Exhale into downward facing dog. Fingers spread wide. Shoulders away from the ears using bandha. Inhale, coming down again. Knees to the ground. Arching the lower back, looking up. Exhale, child's pose. A few rounds here on inhale, coming into cow pose. Whole spine is moving. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, knees to ground. And exhale, child's pose. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, knees, cow pose. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, downward facing. We can stay here now. Just maybe pushing more into one leg, one knee can bend, and alternating that. On the exhale, extending through the hamstrings, through the hips. Good, a few times. Just alternating the legs. Then both legs, exhaling, deepening the position, using bandha. Inhale, maybe the chest tries to lift. Chin tucked in. Good. Exhale, belly. Couple more times. Alright, and the next inhalation, knees to the ground in cow pose. Fully enjoying the arch in the lower back. Exhale, child's position. We rest here for a moment. Good, and either staying here Or if you like, coming in to a seated position, possibly a kneeling position. Alternatively, of course, also into a shavasana or a supine position, maybe holding the knees, just finishing up. Taking a moment of gratitude for yourself, for your practice, for the time that you spend in connection with body, mind and breath. Thank you so very much, and see you real soon again.